What's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded Offered Outlaws with unlimited resources for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. This mod is updated, guys. This hack will bring you to the Offered Outlaws rich community. So all you have to do is go to this site, zoomods.com. So this is a site with lots of hacked apps and stuff. So just type in off-road and you can see Offered Outlaws. Press on it and begin the download. Now before it downloads, there is going to be one more step, which I'm going to walk you guys through the process of. It's basically like downloading some apps and completing the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the official app store, so it's really easy. So let's just wait for this to download and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright, so here we go. It is now bringing us to the verification page. So here we are, and you can see it says please install 2 free apps to automatically install the Offered Outlaws mod. So there's going to be around 4 of them to choose from, but you only have to download 2 of them. So just press on the app, press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the app store, and you just want to download it. So make sure you read the instructions. I did the Family Island where you have to reach level 10. But yeah, as long as you read them, like you can see this one says reach level 10, down and run for 30 seconds, you guys should be all set. So I'm not interested in being poor in Offered Outlaws. This is super insane, guys. As you can see, I got everything for free, bro. So be sure to try it out for yourself. This is super cool, and it totally works. So, yeah, this is crazy. So, yeah, that's so cool, bro. So yeah, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. It's updated and everyone's coming at me trying to get me to help them get the Offered Outlaws hacked. So I just said, well, I'll make you a video. Here you go.